Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Core Java. So in last videos we discussed about methods of string. On the methods of string we'll discuss about boolean start with and end with. Now today we will discuss on instance of. So what is instance of? If I give any character instance of means it will give the what is the position of that. How that instance we can get that we'll see in detail here now. So how we are getting that? So for that what I'll do is first of all I'll create one project on the name of string instance of. So first we'll create one project, then we'll discuss about that. So here I'm creating one new project on name of string instance. So string instance. So project is ready. Then once it is ready, then we will create here one package name called string instance com.instance. So here we'll add com.instance. Then here we'll add class. So that class name is also I'm writing this string instance only. Also I'm adding this static method as well. See here, this has created here like this. Now here I'm creating one string str equal to, so str equal to new string. What I'm adding here in this string that is just I'm adding one string that is Java program. So because just we are writing the Java example program, so added here as the Java program. Now from here I'm writing this system.out.println. So system.out.println. So what we will write here, this system println here str dot, so string dot means what we define the string dot. I want to get index of. So index of. So what I need index of, I'll take index of a. Yeah. So then here multiple a's, it can give which a's we'll see here like this. Then say I'll write this index of p, we'll write multiple values here like this, index of q, so index of again p, what happens we'll see, some z. I'm writing this multiple indexes, then we'll run this program. I'm running this program. See here what is the output for this. See here 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So because the index of and index of last return will be the -1 if you specify the character is not available. If character is not available, it is says that minus, because it's a capital P here, is saying this here. So now we can run this. See, it is giving this index of this is 5 because initially it's a capital, it's capital and small. Now here for few I'll change in last index of, instead of index of here for this I'll change last index of, sir here it's a capital I last index of last index. So we'll run this program, we'll see this now how it will come this output. say here minus 1. So 5, last index of this is 5, this is 5, minus 1, like this. So it will identify like this way. We need to find index of this. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.